In today's guide, I'm going to show you how to download Visual C++ Redistributable. If you're trying to install certain apps and they're not working, chances are you need the Visual C++ Redistributable. Don't worry, it's super easy to download and set up. Let me walk you through it. First, open up your favorite web browser. I'm using Chrome, but you can use whatever you like, it doesn't matter. In the search bar, type Visual C++ Redistributable and hit enter. Now, make sure you click on the link from the official Microsoft website. It's crucial to download it from a trusted source, such as Microsoft, to ensure your system's security. Once you're on the Microsoft page, scroll down a bit to see a list of versions. Look for the one labeled 2015 to 2022 and click the option labeled Latest Supported. At the top of the page, you'll see a few download options. Most people will need the x64 version because it's for 64-bit systems, which is what most modern computers use. Click on it and the download will start. When the download is finished, open your File Explorer and head to your Downloads folder. You'll see the installer file there. Double-click it to open. Now, you'll see the setup screen. Take a quick look at the license terms, check the box to agree, and then click Install. If a pop-up appears asking for admin permissions, click Yes to continue. And that's it. The installation will finish in just a few seconds, and you're good to go. You've now got the Visual C++ Redistributable installed on your system, and you're ready to install the apps you need. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what other quick tips you'd like to see. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.